Alright, so we're gonna put the axle in, the rear half of it, and like I said, this is just something that they use to ship this with, okay? These are not actual parts to it as far as I know. If anything changes, I will tell you. I did not figure this out yet. I'm one of those people that I look at the pictures, okay? We're gonna take this out. These are 14mm nuts. That's off. Now this part of the frame right here, you can see this slides into the other bolts, which I pulled out of the frame there because this is the first time I've done this and I'm not really quite sure exactly what I'm doing, so I'm just winging it. But these will slide into the other two bolts. These are the black bolts that are mounted on your frame here, and this is going to determine whether the bike ass end is straight by how you get this orientated in there. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. So, as I suspected, the bolts are too tight, so I took them off the other way, and I'm just going to take them off altogether. I'll take the nuts off, we'll slide it together, and we'll put the things together. And hopefully we do it without scratching the paint, because I hate scratching the paint. Okay? There's one half. And these are called carriage bolts in American language. You can see they have a square on there. They're carriage bolts. Now, on this frame, there's a square hole. That carriage bolt is going to go in that square hole because that is what's going to hold this while you tighten the nut. Okay? And you see that I have this carriage bolt going this way, and this carriage bolt on the back is going that way. Okay? So, and if you put it in the wrong way, your little brake is going to not be happy with you. And these are 17mm. this is all adjustable this way, and once again I'm going to have to pause the video and I'm going to have to read the instructions. Good. So, once again, like I said, okay. All right, so you can see what I mean by the slots here, and this is like a stove bolt and it goes in this square hole. It's the same with the inside. The insides go with the stove bolt facing out. If you had it in, it would hit your disc here, and I'm really disappointed in how this is bent right here. This really kind of just rips me off something big right here. You know, my wife, you know, she's been doing a lot of research on this thing, and, you know, she's been contemplating buying this thing, and now it's here, and of course it's messed up, and I kind of feel bad for her. It kind of pisses me off when people ship things and they just carelessness. So now somehow I can see it's bent right here. I can see that